Hey everyone, welcome to Zenny62. The Oakland Museum of California has asked me to tell you about an event that is coming up tomorrow. That's right. It is Saturday, June 16th at 3 o'clock p.m. Yes, I'm actually, reading that correctly. Saturday, June 16th at 3 o'clock p.m. And it basically goes like this. It says, Dear Zenny, I'm writing to invite you to an immersive event at Oakland Museum on Saturday, June 16th at 3 p.m. Join us at Beyond Imagining, a virtual experience of justice and healing, where Dr. Shakti Butler and the World Trust Organization will premiere its first ever film in the VR format. An afternoon of musical entertainment by Rahkii, hype, Holman, and dance theater by the Embodiment Project, community networking, lights, bites, and cocktails will be offered. So that's Saturday, tomorrow, June 16th, 2018, of course. And I'm not able to attend, but perhaps if you want tickets, right below this video, get your tickets. All right, see ya.